We're making videos to show you guys that Wayland is not that far out of your reach, right? It's just inside CachyOS. All you need to know is that it's right at your doorstep, basically. Let's do another terminal approach. And pacman. Page down, page down, page down, page down. If CachyOS is not colorful, it's blue, then it's not used. Then you save it like this. Key bindings, maybe I forgot to tell you what I'm pressing here. So go down, everything done, Ctrl X, and then yes if they'll ask you to save. Why? Then you update the system. I still need to do other updates as well, but we have an extra line. There's a new catalog in, a new database in, CachyOS database. That means, let's do a clean, that will do a sudo pacman minus s CachyOS, and one we shouldn't skip is the, what's the Niri? Yeah, Niri Noctalia. Is another package that's available on the website of the repo of CachyOS. You check their website, you check their tutorials, you check their wiki, right? It's their package, not mine. I'm just showing you it's within your reach. This is okay. This is actually me working, telling this needs to be replaced by the other. Yes. And this is their decision. What do we need for that particular package? Alacritty is coming in, not ours, overwritten, and such things more, right? They're all things that are relevant to Wayland. This is not Wayland. This is X11. You'll get a mixed system with all its problems for you, right? Don't come with me, to me with the problems. It's up to you. So we've got something already. The fact is, when we install things, you can use this thing, sudo pacman minus ql, or just q. We're not on fish, doesn't help. I'm on fish all the time. So CachyOS, Niri, and then Noctalia or something. Yeah, that's what we get. Look where it is. Do you get it? This will never work if you reboot. It will never work. All the files are in the etc. Either you go manually copy paste those files, or you just say scal. Backups are being created from all these files. You see, Alacritty has changed. It's not our Alacritty config anymore. Now, if we go to .config, there is a folder Niri, and maybe it's a good time to go to Super Shift D and have an editor of your choice. Drop it in here and read before you boot into it. So you're gonna define all these things. Fine, and they're hidden away here. Display might be important. Whoa, right? I don't have that display at all. So I can be going completely wrong here. I don't know if it will, but mine is. And if this is the Hertz thing, then it's 60. Save. Input is probably keyboards, which means US. I think that's by default. So I'm gonna add layout BE, save, key binding, some more things that we might want to do. Super return is Alacritty, check. Super control return is Noctalia launcher. Mod B is Firefox. Okay, so all of these things, you need to edit this if you don't like what you see. Caps 16, wow, that's a lot. 5. Miscellaneous, Cursor theme, Captain Cursors, no. Actually, I like the cursors that we have, which is copy paste, GTK, 3, settings, ini. Oh yeah, everything is overwritten. Those are not our cursors, right? By default, it's all overwritten. We're no longer in Kansas, right? So you figured it out. The thing is, main thing is, this needs to be in here. Then you can log out and you can log in. Log out and you can log in. A different kind of Niri than the other video. Whoa, right? Not that bad. As success goes, let's make your desktop uniquely yours. Just a few basics get you started, system anonymous, and then continue. Select a wallpaper below. I don't have wallpapers, too bad, but let's try anyway. If we can go to home, and then user, go in there, and then share, and then backgrounds, the B from backgrounds, the B from backgrounds, the B from backgrounds, backgrounds, Kiro, and select folder, select current, voila, continue, colors, either North, Dracula, Eldritch, Roofbox, Tokyo Light, Noctalia defined, Kanagawa. I think I'm gonna go for this one again. Bar position at the top, at the bottom, to the left, to the right, to the top. Compact, mini, comfortable, and spacious. Default, compact, mini. Default it is. Interface scaling. No, keep it the size. Floating, I like floating. Frames, floating is better. And then scroll down, dimmed desktop opacity. Oh yeah, it's happening. Drop shadows, sure. Continue. Enable the dock, check display auto hide or not. Background opacity. Adjust the dock's background opacity. Okay, let's take 90. Floating distance. Dock size. I think it's somewhere, something down here or something, I don't know where the dock is. All done. The wallpaper. Right mouse click does not work. Menu, we have a menu. You can do all kinds of things here. This is the menus. All the categories. All right. This button. Okay. Fine. Clicking here, this happens. Clicking here, that happens. I must admit, it's nice, right? Out of the box. It's probably not perfect in the sense that you want perfection, but that's up to you to make this nice. Next wallpaper, is that working? Variety is an X11 thing, and I hope at some point in time they will do whatever it takes to make it work, right? I don't think here we see the border, so the red thing is not applied. So we'll need to set the wallpapers differently. Control center, look at that. Now if you go setting all kinds of things, oh my god, right? Go through them all, up to you. But it looks quite complete, this Noctalia thing. And this is, well, nothing will happen here. Virtual machine, devices. Probably if we scroll over it, yeah, awesome, perfection. Et voila. So now you know you can have something. Control T is working. Let's see what key bindings are working. This was working. The super enter, super Q, and there was something to quit somehow, which I don't remember anymore, right? So go and have a look. And we can always have Thunar or Sublime Text. Launch it, and you read again. What's the input? Can we make this bigger? Super F. Super F works, but I typed the letter here. Super F. And then you start reading again. Right? If you like what you see, go and save, of course, afterwards your settings, whatever you did, all the work you did in here needs to be safeguarded somehow. Whether it's on GitHub, GitLab, anywhere, USB stick, anywhere safe, so that you don't have to do it again and again and again each time you do a reinstall. All right, have fun.